In this video, you'll learn how automove works with organizers. Automating organizer delivery and job movement saves time and reduces manual work. To do that, go to the Pipelines page under the Templates section. Select a pipeline that involves sending organizers. In the related stage, add the Create Organizer automation and select an organizer template from the list and save it. Then toggle on the automove jobs. From a pipeline, we have a job added to the first stage. Let's move the job to the Waiting for Organizer stage. A slide-out sidebar will then appear, and as you can see, the Create Organizer automation will be triggered. After you click the Move button, the organizer will be successfully linked to the job. Once the client has completed the organizer, the job will be automatically moved to the next stage.